Open your script as we started in a previous video. Link is in description. Add the update method as we will change values every frame. Follow along as we get component in parent. This will search game object the script is attached to for existing components. If a component doesn't exist, it will then work upwards all parents until a component is found. Go back to Unity and enter play mode. Notice the cube's position changes by 0.01 meters per frame. Add a component in the parent. Make sure the component does not exist in our cube. Here, we are adding a RigidBody component. Open the script. Comment out the first code we wrote so we can test this code to search in its parent. Follow along. Go back to Unity and enter play mode. Notice how the parent's rigid body mass changes every frame. This is also good if you want to increase force as you fall for longer periods to simulate a real-life fall. But be careful, too much mass can make you fall through anything, including a terrain.